Today's lesson, we are working on Map 5, dealing particularly with map coordinates. Map coordinates are similar to last week's map where we talked about grid lines. However, this coordinate system allows us to get even more detailed as far as when we're talking about absolute location. As you can see with our Australia example, we are using latitude and longitude lines instead of letters and numbers. So if we look at the location of Australia, we'll see that it ranges from 10 degrees south latitude, and as far south as about 45 degrees south latitude. And we are looking at about 115 degrees east longitude, and as far to the east as 155 east longitude. When we're using this type of map, a coordinate map, it's designed to help us find absolute location, or the extremely specific location of a particular place. So as compared to last map where we looked at the grid map, it tells us that what we're looking for is somewhere inside that square, somewhere inside that D3 square. But here, because we're using actual numbers for latitude and longitude, we can get very specific. For example, if I'm looking at about 45 degrees south and about 148 degrees east, you'll notice that I come to the capital of Hobart on the island of Tasmania. That is an absolute location. If we find those coordinates, it takes us directly to that spot. When we use coordinates, it allows us to find these specific places anywhere on Earth. Planes use them to help find where they're going on the Earth. People using GPSs use these coordinates to find out where they're going or where they've been. Even cars rely upon them for when driving to certain locations. Using these coordinate system is the most basic use of finding a location on the world, and it is a universally used system everywhere in the world.